In this video, I will show you how to create or join a league on ESPN Fantasy. First, launch open the ESPN Fantasy app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, once you're on the home page, look for the Create or Join League option. Tap on that. Now, you want to select the option of Create New League if you want to create a new one. Go ahead and tap on the Create option. Now, name your league, then select your league size. Now, select the scoring type. After that, tap on the Create League option. As you can see, your new league has been successfully created. Now you can invite your friends. For that, you can either tap on the Copy Invite Link option or select the Text Invite or Invite from existing league or Email Invite. Select whichever option you prefer. Now, if you want to join an existing league, then tap on the Join Public League option. Here you want to select which league you want to join. After that, tap on the Join League option. In this way, you can easily create or join a league. So for this video, if you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.